Your Holiness, we are very happy to welcome you back again to Bodhichaya Berlin. We didn't make any progress in the building, but we are determined to work for the people here and for the Dharma. We have, as stated last year, many activities going on here, and I think the most important of all is that our hospice training and volunteers looking after the people who are in the process of dying. I would like to present the list of people who are under our care at the moment, about 30 people, and the list of people who died this year under our care, so that Your Holiness can pray for them. And we would like to request you to give us guidance on how to practice Dharma and live our life in a way that would be useful for ourselves and also beneficial for others.
Da dirinde Bodhichara Chösolya Yonga Kogab Chongbadang ane rungu rumbuchi zor gyube ane da nambalengi samalo jayagi Kogab 양결 토바텔이야. 되게 두준디 뜻든 상원로야. 네, 자시베 섬지당 자시들 슈아잉.
Now, this is the opportunity to be again in the Dharma Center, Bodhicharya, and to meet with all of you, headed by the Drengo Togo Rinpoche, and it is my deep pleasure and my greetings to all of you.
다 되려야 다 되는데 맞으다가 최소 나 지 가르엔 스신차 최소 사바 야다 신아 인두산에다 나닝아 연두산에다 드린도지레 안 다로 연두산에 아는 바지 집어넣으셔 안 드린 인두산에다 가르에 간다야데 Germany 게서 berlin 총계 나로래야 인드리지게 되지 가르다 최소 야 첨부를 주야디 레라바 마인버지 디 강에 망보시 여버지당 에너지 규주 망보지 고루에 인두산에 엔지 디나로를 야갈랭이 망보지 우마 다 월린지야 망보지 다 종버제 디인두스 캬상마 야갈랭이 상마라 예 다리 고금의 규체 캬상마 차례나부들이야 제수 이란당 되네 그린 치슈아이.
Now, actually, we are in a newly to be constructed Dharma center. And as I recognize from the time I've been here last year, it looks pretty much the same. So that indicates that it is not an easy undertaking to establish a great Dharma center in such a huge city as Berlin. And knowing how much of effort and support is needed for such a project, I deeply rejoice in all the work and support of all of you here in who knows how many years. And this is also the opportunity for me to express my gratitude, my thanks to all of you.
다들인데 되게 가져야 숨쉬 세나자도 다지 출시에도 제거야지 임버자 가장 캡자 나로라 지 hard advice 지 라버베 hard advice 지 되지 여버샤 the hard advice me say and near rimbuchil country shuvi garshia or shuin ta kare samna dehian and regreso da ine me say teas came do and jidan jana ta kare samna shen and regres le laboratory ready ta imbine da me say yam some no fixed some topic ta did share the galahaudo that didn't do sane that didn't jidangi de gajura ji nyora sab de share to the galahaudo da in this chiki basic chiki shizegi jin na chue de jabe ba to chikdang an ji le labor ba kazu tuji share bezu shui.
Now, it has been previewed that I present here some words of Dharma. And as the program has announced, it should have been a hard advice to deliver here. I asked Nyingma Rinpoche, what exactly should I talk about? And he said, oh, never mind, whatever comes to your mind, anything will be right. So now I'm sitting here and nothing really very special wants to come to my mind. And I know it's very kind of Rinpoche that he wanted to make it very easy for me to say, you can talk about anything. But in a way, sometimes it is more difficult if there is no specific topic that is asked for. However, I want to make some effort to talk about some basic things that are important for all of us in this world.
The ngengo dinjorwe gabro sha ngengo dinjorwe yang alia kebena kebat dis debo amro chi gabro ngeserchment is kala khabrustula this is not important. Nobody knows. Tadine Emashi kaza bonlia nima shirinlia takanda Toma Jeresi Nenji Jeresi Nyamle the Java Tone Anji Dishichi Casualty 세메시던 제고리안 지체브레 다 디젤이야 에는 좀 되는 거 보면 민주be에 된 냠내는 제베 토네 지시 겨와다 왕구야라 소바 다든데 제브레 드리두사나 던디난 미망체 바제티드 레예베 다 아주 저와르치 제자다 다 망보지 시에차래 드리두사네 ngaya lamsan ji this 아주 계속 상마 계속 님버르마다 lamsan 지 사와사와인데 망보지 전개민도 시에 도면도 다 이내 nen가르 조디 예 가상마 쉬는 신기 말아주 최냠내 차데 그대체네 수수 미진나로 니머리 미진나로래야 배주 예부지당 라렌라 게투부지 제아디 다 게치주 임버지 라기这些 需要 충분 만这些需要的信息它的给什么是来着
Now, the other day I was presenting Dharma in Bonn for 4 days, and first of all I was talking about the embodiment of compassion, Avalokita, and in relation with that, I was talking about the 4 immeasurables. And later, also I gave some explanation about the Bhagavad, the protector Akshobhya, the unshakable one, and also bestowed an empowerment, an abhisheka. Many things have been said on that occasion, and I deeply hope and assume that most of you had the chance to be there. So, given that, it's a little bit uneasy all of a sudden now to produce a new, entirely different topic. And rather, I would like to make an effort to express again what really is indispensable and needed for all of us in our own life, on a daily basis, what we can do to apply Dharma and practice personally, and what is the heart essence of that.
제가 더 최체디 아주 최체가 김전루디 대지 장이기 미지디 튼이 됨바서나 미지 튼다 됨바야 지다 더 미지디라 더 린당 잡지 요하 더 디리치도 아주 최체야 디리 디균전 때네 아주 미유대인 주사네 라렌테 미유대의 충분지 라렌지 달고야데 개점시라 차대요.
Now, talking about the application of Dharma, it is mainly to turn our own life into a meaningful event. In some way, we have to experience the preciousness of this life's opportunity. And if that is the aim, to really have a confidence and an experience of the preciousness of our life, all practice or application has to support that goal.
네, 지게 아주 뒤주세제 즉 최치하기 뒤주다 검자 뒤주세제 디나로래야 아주 지 같이 두두지기 검자바다 아니지 다나신기 최치하루체 다 뒤주의 뒤치로 다 뒤주의 마인비 안에 내급 신달이야 뒤주 신달이야 아주 정신바 지지단으로 체제 안다 대비입니다. 드네 최 펜도사 차장지 용하데 갈합샤래 가르사나 곰갸의 최샤 뒤주디 뉴뉴지반도 야마래 수수 뒤주 망쳐야돼 미지나 뒤주 망쳐야돼 다지 내가 신다를 체 나나 신기 가서 니주 신다지 나로래 안 줘도 요래 진주산에 다 개치슈디 최 냠nen냠 다지 최기베 닝돔저디 그뒤이냐 수수의 냠도 유대야 지다 대안지 지 수수기 meditation rooms and shrine rooms somewhere the 디치로라 아주 배주에 비지다 펜터에 비지 용학 배주차데 개접샤에 섬정.
Now, if our application and meditation is of that kind that we reserve a certain period every day for this application and meditation, so on all the rest of the time we are just engaged in our busy life, in our activities, and are just normal like we always are. Then to call this a successful Dharma practice is sort of difficult. Just looking at the time, compare the few minutes of time that you are trying to do something and practice with all the rest of the time where you are entangled in your busy activities and obligations. For that reason, to call it a successful Dhamma practice, we rather have to step beyond our whatever it is, meditation room or temple or what you want to call it, and have to apply something useful, helpful in all the rest of our life to connect ourselves with the essence of Dharma, right there where we live and work.
다데 아드린 주산에 아직 최냠len 치주산에 최냠을 치사데 다지 다가질라 아직 전에 다지 아유지 안에 최냠len 치하데 드네 지금 아버지기 다 딩사지 최냠len 치하데 가수에서 아버지기 meditation, contemplation, contemporary some the contemplation and 다나 신기 다 망부질이야 가수에 몇바 딩상 몇바 체르체르 아직 가면 체르체르 알아보지 어디요 그래 다 망부지 아주지 딩상 배 내가 망부지 and yakamangbuchi dinalolea energy leke stress under pressure mangbuchi yobinza yi gyunsan dene daji sam and disrupa spiritual vacation daji lenche susu ane da nima kashi ba lulu che gomro kyebji lulu che de juzana de samba lulu sho achida somebody ji 가져다 similar 신점으로 지용하지 미망부들지 지요하래 제장 바지 미망부지기 3년 나로라 최치하사의 뜻 this massage maybe spiritual massage. Adrin this tipo nuji devo nuji soyon du sane. And da dejik chue ruji inarab shade. Inasana da kanda dejik chue ruji imbechi some tang de haru.
Nowadays, a lot of people have shown interest in what they call meditation or contemplation or all lots of other words in that direction. And it seems that for them, in the altogether very stressful experience of their busy lives, they're longing for some sort of break. We could call it a spiritual vacation that they want to experience when they are talking about a few days of meditation or contemplation that they want to recover in that time. And it seems that for them, the idea of such exercise or application, meditation, is linked to a experience of relaxing and wellness and well-being that we could call in some way like a sort of massage, maybe a spiritual massage. There's some sort of wellness experience that they expect from the application of Dharma. However, it would be worthwhile to think about whether we should call this Dharma practice.
And that is to chug nyamne de sana ta baje chug nyamne da cha de ya ta ine nyamne cha sang ro ji ya ta de this color cha de ya sam chang yu kharar sar nyamne sa di one chane nyamne cha la len ta sa di one chi intensive exercise ro ji khandar ji sem ta lunga yisum ta di na ne zo ta ji sem ya intensive exercise cha ji ni cha de ya re drin du sa ne ta ji do chi chue nyam le chi du sa ne ka du ne ji be ji feeling this be ya bo yong de ji ki bo yong de ya ro nge ba ya ma na ka du ju ma bo chi le ya feeling ta ji du ja yong de ya ji gang ye ki chowa chi bo yong de ya 다 영서 말을 선서로 이제 이게 간다 셈리아 다 간다를 가시베지게 heavy 즉 소화를 시다 용대지 소화 작업을 중요하지 바지 용대를 섬정도 근데 인도산 진짜 중요지 간다지 갱이 수솔이야 아니지 강에 충보다 갱에 충배걸이야 간다를 대다 냠도 지 텔레야 동네 체네 tel tabzo che kwa chi da tel number ge kwa chi me indu sa ne ta de de la bu chi da ji kim do khabar chi yo ma ba ki bu chi kala khabar ba.
Now, while we could certainly admit that some part of this Dharma vacation or break where we experience meditation or contemplation has some aspect or connotation of Dharma. However, it's hard to call it a complete and encompassing Dharma experience. Rather, when we talk about the complete Dharma application or experience, it has to involve and engage in a very intensive way our entire being in body, in speech, and also in mind, in our conscious experience of life. And in particular, our mind and conscious experience involved, we cannot take for granted that it will always be a happy experience. Rather, we should expect that there will be times of great hardship, times where we feel sorrow and tired, even to the point where we feel, oh, now I don't know how it will go on. So a wider part of this intense experience may be overcast by some feeling of heaviness. For that reason, we sort of have to learn, and it's indispensable that we expect those difficulties, and we rather joyfully appreciate all those hindrances and those obstacles, to take them onto our way or path. But to take all hardships and obstacles onto our own path is not easy.
Drain du sana chönyam le chesade painkiller de be chayo marwa. Chome roji. Chik jana da painkiller de be pain de yongju ni. And that delia ji karure chawar country yondo de da roji baji tel facing chao sobji. Da baji din shadi usra.
Now, to look at the Dhamma practice or application as some sort of painkiller that will ease away all the difficulties of our life could be a difficult expectation. And it may well be that taking Dhamma as a painkiller or some kind of intoxicant will rather invite more difficulties onto our heads. So we should be careful.
Dangi that value misigi that value samar rintan of chikol kishebre. The value sad condition. Da penalty chenyam ren chene mimang chigi o danga tingsang kashwe chigi des kashwe chigi yidam laye 시식이라고 연구도 사르직다 다는 신기 다다바지기 플라르 된데 송충도 사르는 용도와 야지 도와지 찍찍을 찍니 에너지 무브먼트 연구도 사르다 야 데스데스 운시에도 된데 데스 신고도 지금 용도와 다들이 두산 다디 오늘 전에가 가수해지 린하사디 수수르니 지기 가수에 린타선한자도 조조된 교화디 수수기 수수래 지기 오늘은 미신달이야 지 샴페인기 삼바 지기 디주 샴페인기 삼바 야게치 다가는 신기 rangi mizingo narolia la lentaro kablia enji sancho gun yuan dra chi dang enji mimang wo jilia pian to yang tu ya ru chi su su samba de ya gen dra da digi di jin tang ma de li ji de ngwen jing gua ru chi ba ji yin sa sam chang do.
So now to connect that again to the aim or goal of turning our life into a meaningful experience of something very precious. Some people have the idea that practicing Dharma means to have a direct vision or encounter with a wisdom deity, a meditation deity or yidam, or that there should be protected by such a deity, a wisdom deity. Or else they have the idea to move some energy in them, to get some energy flowing and so on. However, compared with that, it seems to me that the most important for turning our lives into something precious and meaningful is that we learn to really benefit others, that our ability to help and benefit other sentient beings should grow. And by and large, that we turn our entire being with all our wishes and motivations into something well-wishing and like becoming a good human being that is working for the benefit of others.
다들이 즉 최냐면 전에 소수 즉 자체로 동안으로 직선을 다 간다슬라다 나라 최냐면 증이 제상하나 개발도 파고는로 지 신다도 주시라라 말에 제지 나라 자체로 진행삼으로 진짜 지금 많이 배치 다 소수 more useful 차로 지 되게 해주셔도 지금 그래서 배주에 소수 미지디 미신다를 배주에 붙이다 수술을 이내야 되는데 아마 중요하지 진짜 중요하지 계시주시죠.
And it seems that also some people have the idea by practicing Dharma they're turned into something very special that makes them extraordinary and so much better than all the other poor who have no Dharma practice. But rather, it seems for me that we should turn into someone who becomes simply more useful, just to be of better service to all and everyone, and in such way becoming helpful.
다들이야 즉 스토리 답시 example로 집어지 시에네 하면 가장 이게 시해주바 양게 시에 근데도
야부도
야보대
하창 야부도 신도 야부 몸자지 뭐.
신도 야보도네한테 야보시라라 야만다 다디 디서다 담바 기지딘바 ane ser dan damzab ki keje ti Hindustane ta serji dan dambaji ni keje shebres keje shene ane ser de ki damzab samada dambatilya ta kyorang de ngal unetin rintang khanjim de este 외침짐 가디에 외침지 린다 참부도 kyorang kaduyine be ji ta khanda derji samarwe ta ji Timajin dirigesta. Timajin 다 간다 테. 가르베. 쭉 줘보. 다 간다 dirigest. 내가 컨트리뷰도 해서 관계 라이브에서 와. 에는 담바되기 에네 나 땅알 되네 나 결혼시에는 이제 대비자들이 많이 있어. 아니 알아 때는 매도 배면 상황으로 얘는 안 깨는 거라서 얘가 안 깨는 거라서 이 결혼하고 매도 배면 깨 도움이 왔어. 근데 다른 신지 지신다 vegetable다 지게 mushroom다 망고치 아주 깨는 거라서 life 지신다 깨는 망고치 아주 된 깨는 거라 결혼한테 깨 도움이 왔어. 아니 라브레스 라브레스는 셀라 내가 많이 해라. 당 알아니 중딩 거고 요도서 만다.
So now this seems to be a good occasion to insert an example to illustrate what I want to say, and I want to take it from an old story. So the old story says, once upon a time, and it is about a dialogue between gold and mud. And gold speaks to mud and says, "Look at me, how shiny and nice I'm looking, sparkling and immaculate. And you, what's your value after all? You look so dirty, so muddy, you're stinky, filthy, and at all times disgusting. What do you have to say?" The mud says, "Well, maybe not so bad after all, out of myself, lotus flowers are growing. And you? Have you ever borne a lotus flower?" And also, lots of vegetables are growing nicely right out of myself. A lot of mushrooms, and life is nurtured and gain strength just out of myself. What do you have to say? And as the story reports, Gold didn't know how to answer to that.
드레인 주사는 다디 가르소르사나 에너지게 당기 공도 쉬는 신기 수수자 첨부를 지 extraordinary 다디 계시슈만 봐. 다 조디 아니 소설 때네 다 펜도 가지고 용디 그거지다. 아니 소설 때네 다 간다지 give 소설 generate somewhere 라는 때체네 간다라 지 the general senator jimba senator da khanda teleten pheba khaji yong thumi ti keshi shin de achi na dring du san di kyun sen de ne chi chhe nyam ne che sa di extraordinary ru cha da ji ji ki jama bi che da zo di su su simply more useful senator do yana ji ka ru ra la de ne ana ji ji rani rāna tēne pēmbā rāna tā shēnla pēmbā inā rāna pēmbā inā qazi chōngma chū sādi kēchē ārabchī chādē chū pachit nirabshī sāri.
Now, what I learned from this example is that, and I want to show with this example, is that rather than turning ourselves into something very special or extraordinary, it is much more important that by ourselves and through ourselves, or initiated by ourselves, something more useful and helpful, and is created in this world, that we contribute to the wellness of other sentient beings. We contribute to their to a benefit for others, initiated by ourselves and through our service, or if you want to say, by just being more useful for others. So this is what is really much more needed.
다다 망부치 샤스케민도 퍼지 나닝오만 대양 아주 보디차 용베 갑리아 드네 아주 랑가를 연주사네 드리는 신기 보고 춘춘 가시지 메도도 뒤침으로 디난 다들 야부지 것인도 메도 동gen지 보무지 춘춘 주바 모르베 대다 아니 냠도 빠르게셔도 다디 the come up Facebook said in it's actually it's not my Facebook but official Facebook. Tinalola pardi kira shishu chash. Very cute. If we would like that. That's suyin. That is suyin hagomas. Chikborwe. Ana ngoshimda grown up.
Now, there's not so much more that I want to say, but just a little remark then by myself here being welcomed in the Bodhicharya Center. Then last year and also this year, there has been a little girl walking ahead of me and throwing flowers. And last year, a photo has been taken, and that photo ended up on that Facebook page, which is not my Facebook page anyway, but it's a sort of official, pseudo-official Facebook page of mine. And there, it turned out that this photo looked really cute, and many people liked that photo the most. Anyway, and it turned out that it's the same little girl this year, however grown up, so I didn't recognize immediately.
The example of the warm welcome somewhere that she has a body jar to share the Indusane, Deacon Sandene, and a 30 Nambata, and she 다나지 welcome 직 디토리아 warm welcome 남들이야 도시샤.
Now, however, then I just want to take this as an example that I felt very warmly welcomed in the Bodhicharya Center. And for that warm welcome, I wish to thank you all.
네, 다망발이야 양결 지가슈에 다마시 드리디 지가슈에 바지 다른 제민일이야 진짜 지가 official 다 프로그램 타마르디 바지 도시마자 드린 주산에 다리 양결 제민일이야 용토 디시라 가부총송 아 망발이야 안 유럽 기회가 지 망즈질이야 로투야다 안지기 조보 망즈 도투야기 엔지 민주주의.
Now, this also, as it is my second visit to Germany, today is the end of the official program for me here in Germany. And I wish to say that I felt very welcomed in Germany. I really had a heartfelt delight to be here in Germany. And on my next visit, I want to also visit other European countries. I really want to see more other countries in Europe and visit the friends there.
We are almost finished. Yeah, almost. I think the first time. This is the second time. Actually, this time it's not. We can't call it. It's like visiting to Germany, but rather than it's kind of half visiting to Europe, kind of half. But because we have the plan that can visit to Paris, but that is not happened this time. But nevertheless, I think the next time, hopefully, actually, it's he says like a little bit sound of definite, but I can't definite. But I think hopefully I can visit more European countries and also meet more friends. That is the most important things. Thank you so much.